Hi there. Welcome to the Department of Radiology and Imaging Sciences at the University of Arizona and Banner University Medicine. I'm Jeff Rubin, chair of the department, and I am really glad that you're here. After nearly 30 years at Stanford and Duke, I came to Tucson because this place is different. It's collaborative, it's innovative, and it's a community that really believes in making a difference for our patients and our learners. If you're looking for a diagnostic radiology or interventional radiology residency where you can grow fast, work with great people, and train on cutting-edge technology, you're in the right place. Let me give you a quick snapshot. We're a team of more than 375 people, including 52 faculty, 51 residents, and a dedicated group of technologists, nurses, and staff, delivering more than 400,000 diagnostic imaging studies and image-guided interventions for patients across all Banner facilities in Tucson annually. Our residents train across every subspecialty: abdominal, breast, cardiothoracic, emergency, interventional, musculoskeletal, neuro, nuclear medicine and theranostics, and pediatrics. We operate 10 MRI scanners, 8 CT scanners, 2 PET CT scanners, and 3 SPECT CT scanners, plus 6 image-guided procedure suites. And here's where we stand out. By early next year, we'll be home to 3 photon-counting CT scanners, putting us at the forefront of next-generation imaging technology. But what really makes this place special isn't just the tech, it's the people. You'll learn from faculty who love to teach and mentor, and you'll be surrounded by a community that wants you to thrive. Our residents serve a diverse patient population, get hands-on experience early, and match into top fellowship programs across the country. And honestly, we love it when they choose to stay here with us in Tucson, as more and more of our graduates have. Thanks for taking a few minutes to get to know us. I hope this video gives you a sense of who we are, not just what we do. We can't wait to meet you.
I like everything about this program. So this is my number one choice by far in a way.
I love the University of Arizona. I went to medical school here. I did my internal medicine intern year here, and now doing my radiology residency here. I can't imagine being anywhere else.
We were excited when we matched here, like we were excited to come, but then once we got here, it was just even better. Everything they talked about was true, and we've got a good group of people here.
Whether you're single, married with a family, straight out of college, maybe you had another career, you're welcome here.
I did several rotations with radiology when I was a medical student, and I loved the other residents. I felt like it was such a great group of people that everyone got along really well, and I really wanted that in a program.
Every single day we get to come to work and make a difference, and we get to do it with, I think, the most fun people in the hospital.
We have a really big catchment area, and so I think we see pathology that nobody else gets to see. I think people say that a lot at their program, but it's really true here.
We do a lot of complex, high-level imaging that even first years you get exposure to.
When it comes to both case volume and complexity, we see pretty much everything you could possibly imagine through all the subspecialties.
Since the beginning of first year, we're getting conferences to start preparing us for call and boards and that sort of thing.
Starting in your second year, we start taking call.
Call's pretty intense, and I think that's really gets you ready to be able to be a practicing radiologist in the real world.
It's a lot of fun, lots of good pathology overnight, lots of studies to be read.
Third year for us is a year basically to get prepared for core.
Guy who has wife and 4 kids at home, to be able to have the moonlighting opportunities we have at this program.
Take on more responsibility and feel more like an attending, more like you're an actual practicing radiologist, but also get paid at the same time to do it.
All these great resources like case stacks, e-anatomy, just anything you want you can get. In addition to that, having one-on-one teaching with our attendings, as well as lectures twice a day. We just get that repetition of material, over and over until it sticks.
The seniors, the attendings are very eager to help.
Having that sort of hand-holding initially, but also giving me the freedom to figure things out myself was amazing, and I feel like it's exactly what I needed.
can tell that they really genuinely care about trying to get me prepared for fellowship too.
Learning new procedures, having new technologies, the opportunities are endless, and I'm very excited about it.
They're now building a new space for all the residents, a nice space that not only has computers and so they can get their work done, but also a space without technology in it, which I think will be really nice to kind of get away.
Camaraderie here is great. I think it's a very close-knit community. We're a fairly large program with about 10 residents per year, maybe so about 40 residents total and 10 fellows.
Everybody across the board is so laid back and easy to work with and to talk to and to be friends with. We hang out outside of work.
Being able to still find a community and people that can help support you. And this program and the residents are a part of that as well. Everyone's been awesome.
I'm a big fan of wellness, and I was a big part of the wellness committee myself, and I think it's really important for residents to be able to feel like they can take a break.
As a brand new first year, I was really well supported by the senior residents in particular. We have a good time here. We laugh a lot and we have a really good time, and the attendings are great.
I'm excited to do more activities together, maybe like paint and sips, go climbing, things like that. Just to get to know each other when it's the first year.
We work as a team, and it's not necessarily like all the burden is on you. Like, we're very supportive of each other.
I've been able to start my own initiatives here. If you have an interest, you can find someone who's willing to support you. But I feel so well prepared for anything that's coming my way.
You're getting a variety of cases and getting to read out with people with vastly different backgrounds, and so I think we're getting a really good breadth of experience with all different perspectives, which is good.
You make a lot of decisions on your own as a resident. You're talking to the ED attendings on your own. You're helping protocol studies on your own. That experience and the call volume that we have is, I think, the only way that you can expect to be an incredible radiologist.
There's every opportunity there for you. You can just take it if you want it.
I can take as long as I want on a study and dive deep into it, and so I'm excited to learn more.
The senior residents in the 4th years and how much they know, and it is mind-blowing, so very excited to hopefully one day get to that level.
We have a few hot months in the summer, but outside of that, it's great for anything you want to do outdoors.
We pay for that in the summer to be able to enjoy all winter long, where it's 75 and sunny and awesome and beautiful and perfect.
Being originally from, like a colder state, Colorado, I just really was attracted to the heat in Tucson. So yeah, this one was easy. Super top choice.
There's a big bike trail around town called the Loop that goes all through the city, so a ton of activities here.
There's probably somebody playing golf in the group every weekend, in our residency group, so you probably, if you're into golf, that's a big pull for here.
We actually just got back from Flagstaff last Sunday. We took a long weekend up there. It's like 4-hour drive from Tucson up into the mountains, get away from the heat a little bit.
Oh man, Tucson's just a great city. It's like a little bit under the radar as a city for lots of things to do, but one thing specifically is the food is pretty awesome. You've never had Mexican food like there is here in Tucson.
At the time that we had to rank the program, I was pregnant in my 3rd trimester with my first baby. I reached out to our coordinator, Janet. I want to have a second baby. Is this going to work out? And she was like, it's going to be okay. Whatever you do, it's all going to work out.
I really don't feel like I've had to sacrifice, my family's life for me to do residency.
I'm very excited to say I'll be going to Stanford to do a pediatric radiology fellowship, and then I would love to come back.
Everybody that I've seen in 3rd or 4th year that's gone away to fellowship, they get their 1st or 2nd choice and they're going to big name places. To know that when that part of my life hits, that I'll have the support that I need to get where I need to go.
If you love everything you're learning in medical school and you want to figure out a way to bring it all together and to have an amazing career where you get to work with every single subspecialty, you get to apply the knowledge that you worked so hard to gain, radiology is the best decision.
The radiology program here was the most supportive and was the best opportunity for me.